Okay, this week's video tip is gonna be for those homeowners out there that are looking at how much their home has gone up in value, but they're also looking at their home and saying, you know, there's some things maybe that we wanna fix, maybe that I'd like to replace, and you're seeing all the equity that has grown over the last few years, and you're thinking, how can I maybe tap into some of that equity to actually remodel or fix up our home? I'm not really gonna touch on as much the refinancing process, although I do wanna say a lot of clients right now are actually utilizing a cash out refinance to tap into some of that equity. You can go up to 80% of your home's value in a cash out refinance. This week's video, I wanna talk about remodeling returns. In other words, certain things that you may fix up or upgrade around the house, what kind of returns will you get on adding to the value of your home? For example, did you know that replacing windows as an average cost typically costs around $17,641 as an average cost? But did you know that it actually adds about $12,000 to your replacement cost? So you get about a 72% return on the money that you put out. And by replacing the windows, now you have more energy efficiency, so it could save you on your heating costs or cooling costs. A bathroom remodel has an average cost of $21,377. But your added value is about $13,688, or 64% cost recouped. Adding a deck to the backyard costs on average about $19,856, but it adds around $13,257 as an average added value. So that gives you about a 66% return on that investment. Now, kitchen remodels are a little tricky because there's a major kitchen remodel and then there's a minor kitchen remodel. If you go the major route, the average cost is about $68,000. and your average return on that is about $40,000, or that's about a 60% return. For just a minor kitchen remodel, we're talking maybe some countertops, refacing the cabinets, your average cost is about $23,000, but your average return is about $18,000, or 77% return on that money you put out. Finally, a really simple thing, which is adding new garage doors, garage door replacement. The average cost on those is about $3,600, but the added value to your home is almost $3,400, and that's about a 95% return on that money that you're putting out. So the main point in this is just saying you can kind of have both. You can add value to your home, but also add something that's just more livable for you, something that you have pride of ownership. Maybe you're looking at that kitchen or you're looking at that bathroom and saying, man, this thing is outdated, I don't really like it, it's not functional. So not only are you creating a more functional space, possibly a more efficient space or energy efficient space, but you're also getting something in return for that. I just wanted to point this out, some things to think about. Now there's some things I didn't even mention here, like roof replacements and other things that can really add to the value of your home as well. But if you've been thinking about doing some of these remodeling projects or renovation projects to your home and you'd like to maybe tap into some of that equity to do it, we can run some numbers for you and we can see exactly how much equity you could capture and what that would give you to be able to do to your house. Thanks so much for joining me on this tip. See you next time.